Hey everyone, welcome back to Tanvi Code Studio. Today we are creating a super smooth image reveal on scroll effect using HTML, CSS and GSAP with scroll trigger. This effect makes your image scale up from the center as you scroll, perfect for portfolio websites, galleries and modern landing pages. Let's get started. We start with a basic HTML structure. In the body, we have a simple nav bar with 3 buttons: Works, Info and Contact. Below that, we have a div with the class Image Stack, which contains 5 images stacked on top of each other. After that, we include a div called Spacer. This is used to create scroll space on the page so that our animations can trigger properly. Finally, at the bottom of the HTML, we include our GSAP and scroll trigger CDN links and then our own GSAP file script.js. In the CSS, we start by resetting margins and padding using the universal selector. We also enable smooth scrolling on the HTML element for a better scroll experience. For the body, we add a background image, center it, make it cover the full screen and keep it fixed while scrolling using background attachment fixed. This gives a nice parallax-like effect. We also hide horizontal overflow. The nav is fixed at the top left corner with some spacing between buttons. The buttons are styled with borders, white text. Now the important part, the stack image class. Each image is positioned at the center using top 50% and left 50%, then translated back to center using transform translate -50% -50%. Initially, we set the image scale to 0 so that they are invisible, and we will animate them with GSAP as the user scrolls. The spacer class gives us enough scroll height to trigger all animations. Now let's look at the fun part, the animation using GSAP. First, we register the scroll trigger plugin, then we grab all the images with the class stack image using query selector all. We loop through each image using for each method, and for every image we apply a GSAP animation. Opacity 1 so the image fades in, scale 1.1 for a subtle zoom in, ease power 3 dot in out to keep the animation smooth. Then comes the scroll trigger config. The trigger is set on stack, although in this code we are actually using image stacks, so you might want to fix that selector. The animation starts when we scroll to I into 100 VH and ends at I plus 2 into 100 VH. This means each image animation lasts for 200 VH worth of scroll. We set scrub 1, which syncs the animation with the scroll progress so it feels fluid and responsive. And that's it. With just a few lines of code and the power of GSAP, we have built a smooth image reveal on scroll effect. You can easily customize it by changing the images, scroll duration or adding text overlays. If you enjoyed this effect, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Tanvi Code Studio for more creative web projects. See you in the next video.